Good morning, students. Today's topic is natural binding agent. So, natural binding agents, binders are hold the ingredient in a tablet together. Binders ensure that the tablet and granules formed with a required mechanical strength and give volume to the low active dosage tablet. Binders are those agents which employed to impact cohesiveness to the granules. This ensures the tablet remains intact after compression. Binders are added to tablet formulation to impart plasticity and thus increase the interparticulate bonding strength within the tablet. To hold various powder together to form a tablet is binder. Fillers usually do not have good binding capacity. Binder is either added in dry mix or mixed in a granulated liquids. So, classification of binders or example of binders. Binder are classified according to their application. So, first is the solution binder, and second is dipolar. Two types of the binders which are used in to form the tablet or granules. First है solution binders. Solution binders are dissolved in a solvent, for example, water, alcohol, can be used to wet granulation process. And example gelatin, cellulose derivatives, polyvinyl pyrrolidine, starch, sucrose, and polyethylene glycol. Then second are dry bounder. Dry bounder are the added to the powder blend either after a wet granulation step or as a part of direct powder compression formula. Example of dry powder: cellulose, methyl cellulose, polyethylene glycol. So to hold various powder together to form a tablet is binder. Fillers usually do not have a good binding capacity. Binder is either added in dry mix or mixed in a granulated liquid. Binder form matrix with fillers and drug embedded in it. On dry solid binders forms glue which hold the particles together. The wet binder is most important ingredient in the wet granulation process. Most binders are the hydrophilic and the most time soluble in water. So mostly the binders are hydrophilic in nature and which are soluble in water. Then advantages of natural binders. First है low toxicity, biodegradable, easy available, and the low cost. Then these are the advantages of natural binders. Can also modify the release of the drug, thereby influencing the absorption and subsequent bioavailability of the incorporated drug. ठीक है. The third advantage is increased stability of the dosage form, precision and accuracy of the dosage form. Then fourth है improve the organoleptic properties of the drug. Organoleptic means morphological, physical. ठीक है. Visual with naked eye, visual by the naked eye. Improve the organoleptic properties of the drug where necessary in order to enhance patient adherence. Then some disadvantages are also over time they occasionally lead to tablet hardening एंड डिक्रीज इन डिजोल्यूशन परफॉर्मेंस. क्या करते हैं कि कभी कभी कैसा होता है कि हम ज्यादा नेचुरल बाइंडर से क्या होता है कि जो टैबलेट है वो हार्ड हो जाती है और जो उसका डिजोल्यूशन रेट है वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है. व्हेन पॉलीमर बाइंडर्स आर चूजन द एडिशन ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग disintegrant such as the super disintegrant or is typically required, but these are the considerably expensive, have a negative effect on product stability as well as film coating appearance of finished product. Example of natural binder: plant starch, gelatinized starch, gelatin, plant gums like acacia, trigongan. These are the natural gum or natural binders which are used in tablet granulation. So acacia, these are the natural binders. And herbs which are used as a binding agent. So acacia, source of acacia, then biological source, dried gummy exudation from the stems and branches of Acacia arabica. Acacia arabica are the biological source of the acacia, and it is obtained from the gummy exudation from stem and branches of Acacia arabica, and other species also that Acacia senegals, and extracts of some other species are also present. Then family Leguminaceae. In English, in common name, acacias are also called Indian gum, and in English form, and in Hindi language, babul. ठीक है, acacia are also called babul. Then description: white or yellowish white thin flakes, spheroidal sphere. तो कलर जो है वो अकेसिया का व्हाइट और येलोइश व्हाइट है, शेप है स्प्रोइडल स्पेयर्स की शेप है, पाउडर्स है, ग्रेन्यूल्स है, पाउडर्स है, ऑर्डर ऑर्डरलेस है, और टेस्ट ब्लेंड टेस्ट है. Then solubility: acacia is soluble 1 into 2 to 20 of glycerin, 1 into 2 20 of PEG polyethylene glycol, 1 in 2.7% of water, and practically insoluble in alcohol. Then constituents which are present in acacia: arabinose, galactose, rhamnose, and glyceronic acids. These are the chemical compounds which are present in acacia. Then chemical test of acacia: firstly take the powder and add lead acetate, lead subacetate solution, then gelatinize the aqueous solution. Then second है, take the powder and add ruthenium red color, so no pink color observed, so then that means inference is acacia is present. Third है powder in water. Firstly aqueous solution of acacia extract. So powder in water plus hydrogen peroxide H2 to add, then add benzidine in alcohol. Firstly prepare benzidine in alcohol, then add in acacia powder, so blue color due to the oxidase enzyme. Then incompatibilities with ferric salt: amidophylline, apomorphine, borax, basic lead acetate, ammonium chloride, cresol, ethanol, morphine, phenol, tannin, thymol, gelatin, vanillin. And the method of sterilization, that is autoclaving. Autoclaving is an instrument which the wet heat sterilization. Then use tablet binder. Acacia is used as a tablet binder 1 to 5%. As a suspending agent is used 5 to 10%. As a emulsifying agent used 10 to 20%. And mucilage and thickener. Storage: it is stored airtight container in a cool and dry place. Then second binding agent is gelatins. Then synonym of gelatin: gel foam, puragal, gelatiana. Then the biological source of gelatin: a protein. Gelatin is a protein obtained by partial hydrolysis of animal collagenous tissue like bone, skin, tendon, and ligament. The gelatin are obtained from the animal tissue like bone, skin, tendon, and ligament. Then partial by the partial hydrolysis. Then description: its color yellow amber colored solid with order characteristic order. It is available in the form of flakes, seeds, shreds, and or powder or granules. Then properties of gelatin: gelatin strength 150 to 200. Solubility: practically gelatin insoluble in water, most of the organic solvent, fixed oil, and volatile oil, or soluble in water, glycerol, acetic acid. In 5 to 10 times water forms gel below 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. So gelatin dissolve in 5 to 10 times water, so form gel temperature 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Then from chemical constituents: glycine 25 to 27%, other alanine, glutamic acid, proline, arginine, aspartic acid, hydroxyl proline, isoleucine, leucine, phenylalanine, and tryptophan. These are the chemical compounds which are present in gelatin. Then chemical test: Firstly, take a powder of gelatin when heated with soda lime. So evaluation and formation of ammonia gas. Powder. Second test powder. Take a gelatin powder. Firstly, dissolve in water. So OS to form original solution. Then take a original solution of powder with add picric acid and tannic acid. So precipitate form yellow color precipitate form, that means gelatin present. Third है take a powder plus add mercuric nitrate HgNO3, so white color precipitate form. On heating on heating turn to red brick color due to the millions reagent. Incompatibility, tannins and formaldehyde. Method of sterilization, dry heat sterilization. Use preparing suppositories, pastels, pastries, absorbable gelatin sponge, homeostatic emulsifying agent, vehicle for injection, manufacture of hard and soft gelatin capsule, tablet binders, stabilizers, thickener, 2% mascara preparation. These are the use of gelatin. Then storage, it is stored airtight container in dry places. Then next is natural diluent. So natural diluent are often added to tablet formulation for secondary reason like to provide better tablet properties. Such are the properties to provide improved cohesion. For cohesion, natural diluent are used to allow direct compression manufacturing to enhance flow, to adjust weight of the tablet as per die capacity. Should neither support microbiological growth in the dosage form or nor contribute to any microbiological load due to the natural diluent. Should neither adversely affect the dissolution of product nor interfere with the bioavailability of active pharmaceutical ingredient. Should preferably be colorless or nearly so. Then natural diluent should not react with the drug substance, and moreover it should not have any effect on the function of other excipient, should not have any physiological or pharmacological activity of its own, should have consistent physical or chemical characteristics, should neither promote or nor contribute to segregation of granulation or powder blend to which they are added, should be able to meld, that means size reduce if necessary in order to matches the particle size distribution of the active pharmaceutical ingredient. These are the properties of natural diluent. So lactose is natural diluent which are used in tablet or capsule. The biological source of lactose, a natural disaccharide consisting of galactose and glucose, and it is obtained from the milk of the most mammals. Then synonyms of lactose, milk sugar, lactase, these are the other name of lactose. Then description, the color of lactose white crystalline powder, and odorless, taste faintly sweet taste. Due to the presence of galactose and glucose, it is stable in air but rarely absorb odors. So several varieties of lactose are available, anhydrous alpha, alpha monohydrate, and anhydrous beta. Then hygroscopicity, absorb insignificant amount of moisture at 25 degree at relative humidity up to 90%. So hygroscopicity means it is the tendency of a solid substance to absorb moisture from the surrounding atmosphere. Then other solubility of lactose freely soluble in water, while practical insoluble in CaCl3, ethanol, and ether. Then constituents which are present in lactose: O beta D galactopranozoxyl 1,4 alpha D glucopyranose. Then chemical test: take 0.25%, sorry, take 0.25 gram lactose, add 5 ml water, then 5 ml of 10 molar ammonia, gives a heat in water. Then after that addition, these constituent heat in water bath at 80 degree for 10 minutes, 80 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So red color develops, that means lactose is present. Second test, um, take a 5 ml hot saturated solution of lactose, add 5 ml NaOH, then warm. So yellow liquid color develops. Finally, brownish red on adding several drops of cupric sulfate, a red precipitate due to the copper hydroxide CuOH2. Then incompatibility, primary amine group, method of sterilization: dried at 105 degrees Celsius, then sterilized by dry heat. Use diluent in tablet, capsule, dry powder inhalation. Used in combination with sucrose to prepare sugar coating solution. Direct compression grades of lactose combined with MCC or starch, and usually require tablet lubricant. 0.5% weight by weight magnesium stearate. Storage: it is stored well closed container in a cool dry place. Then other diluent is mannitol. The source of mannitol, it is saccharine exudation from the stem of Fraxinus omus. The family is Oleaceae. A hydrolytic alcohol obtained by isolation from manna seeds. It is obtained from the manna seeds and isolate by a hydrolytic alcohol. It can be also be obtained chemically by reduction of manure. Then description: white crystalline powder, odorless, non-hygroscopic, taste sweet. The crystals are orthorhombic shape, जो है crystals की shape orthorhombic prism. The melting point of mannitol 166-168 degrees Celsius. It is freely soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol. Its specific gravity is 1.52 and optically inactive or slightly levorotatory. The use of mannitol: it is used as a sweetening agent and 10 to 19% weight by weight as a diluent. Does not get absorbed by GIT, so it is not metabolized and is eliminated by glomerular filtration. Can be used as a diagnostic aid. The method of sterilization: well closed, well filled container. Sorry, method of storage: well filled container, and these are the method. These are the storage, not method of sterilization. So thank you all.